Factory in southwest Louisville could help cut America's reliance on foreign-made battery materials. Anthro Energy broke ground today on the new operation. Edward Smith was there. He joins us now live from the site. Edward.
Vicki, get this, about 80% of the world's production of lithium-ion batteries comes from China. This multi-million-dollar investment looks to change that by bringing manufacturing back onshore in the U.S., specifically here at this warehouse on Cane Run Road.
I want you to take a look around at this warehouse. Take it in because it's about to undergo a radical change.
That change will bring the first U.S.-owned and operated electrolyte manufacturing facility in the country to Louisville at this 150,000 square foot building.
This is one of the most ambitious and technologically advanced projects anywhere in the nation. And I love what we heard today. We're going to be doing something in Kentucky, in Louisville, that's not done anywhere else in the United States. How about that?
The former tire warehouse will now be used to produce electrolyte, a key component in lithium-ion batteries used in EVs, military equipment, electronics, and more.
We're putting in a lot of high-tech stuff into this building, and we're really excited to see it transform from this kind of open space to a factory of the future.
The company says the facility will employ over 100 workers and produce about 12,000 metric tons of the material every year.
We think we're just scratching the surface of what the demand for electrolytes and batteries more broadly in the U.S. is going to be.
CEO and co-founder David Mechanic says the more than $40 million investment is just the start of onshoring manufacturing of the product as demand increases through EVs, the rise of AI, and proliferation of data centers.
We really think that we're at an inflection point for seeing demand for batteries for all applications. And there's going to need to be many more facilities like the one we're building here to provide all the materials and components for those operations.
Following recent investments by Ford and Toyota, Governor Beshear says Kentucky is poised to be a leader in the sector.
If we play our cards right, it wouldn't just be the EVs themselves, but the entire electrification supply chain that we could build out in Kentucky.
They already have an agreement in place with Indianapolis-based battery manufacturer InPower. They also say the product is a lot safer because it's less flammable than other electrolytes in batteries because it stays in a solid state rather than a more highly flammable liquid state like in other batteries. The plant is set to open in 2028. Live in Louisville, Edward Smith, WLKY News.